This version will show you how to adjust the product by Smart Calibration. First, apply the force to the product torque wrench to test accuracy. Torque tester torque value 50.5 Nm, product torque value 52.5 Nm. Calculate how much the error value needs to be adjusted. The product value is larger than the torque tester, with relatively about 4%. Calibration method. Enter the Smart Calibration mode, SC mode. Adjust 4% compensation. Adjust OK, press Save and turn off the power. Next, to verify whether the correction is successful. Torque tester torque value 50.1 Nm, product torque value 50.2 Nm. The product has been calibrated. Thank you for watching.